Myself Purna Vardhan and I am from Telangana. I have done my BTech in mechanical field, and also as part of an interest, I thought of pursuing my career in networking field, and also I searched for a platform which can help me to guide my career path into networking and also help me in placement support. So as part of that, I got a reference from my friend that Evision is the best platform where I can get to know about the networking field and also support through the placement part. So after getting information through my friend, I got into Evision, and there I was being taught about visualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, CCNA, ITIL, and also troubleshooting part. So after learning all these topics, they have been testing through mock interviews so that I can crack the interviews as soon as possible. And then after completing all the courses, I got placed into SHI Locuz and also team computers. So I thank everyone in the team and also every tutor who helped me to guide my path into the networking field. So I also recommend everyone who is thinking to pursue their career in networking field. Evision is the best platform where the tutors and also the team which are so helpful and in pursuing the path in a perfect way. Thank you.